Are pesky termites wreaking havoc on your property? It's time to fight back with our incredible video guide. We'll take you through a step-by-step journey of termite elimination strategies that'll make these little pests wish they never crossed your threshold. Don't allow these tiny terrors to take over your territory. Say goodbye to chewed-up wood and hello to a termite-free zone. Here are the best ways to exterminate termites. 1. Release beneficial nematodes. Beneficial nematodes are small but mighty warriors that can help you win the battle against termites. These microscopic organisms are parasitic to pests like termites and can control their population in your soil. An advantage of using beneficial nematodes is their ability to target termites without harming other beneficial insects or plants in your garden. Unlike chemical insecticides, which can affect the environment, introducing these natural predators into your soil is a safe and eco-friendly solution. But how exactly do these tiny creatures work? Beneficial nematodes seek out and penetrate termite larvae and pupae, feeding off them until they die. They kill the existing generation of termites and prevent future infestations by eliminating eggs and young colonies before they become a big problem. Introducing beneficial nematodes into your soil eliminates termites and promotes a healthier ecosystem in your garden. These little soldiers will wage war on unwanted pests while keeping everything else intact, protecting your home and nature. It's worth noting that nematodes may take some time, usually a few weeks, before showing significant results, so patience is vital. 2. Use termite baits. Unlike traditional liquid treatments, termite baits use a combination of slow-acting insecticides and attractive food sources to lure termites away from your property. You'll place these bait stations around the perimeter of your home, creating a barrier that intercepts termites as they travel toward your house. An advantage of termite baits is their ability to target and eliminate entire termite colonies. When worker termites consume the bait, they return to their nest and share it with other colony members, including the queen. This poison allows for an efficient and thorough eradication process that can reduce termite populations significantly within weeks. Some experts believe termite baits may also be a preventative measure against future infestations. Deploying bait stations around your property before any signs of termite activity creates a protective barrier that deters termites from approaching your home in the first place. This proactive approach can save homeowners thousands of dollars in potential damage repairs by stopping infestations before they become destructive. 3. Sprinkle boric acid. Boric acid is an effective substance to exterminate termites from your home. This naturally occurring compound is lethal to these destructive pests and relatively safe for humans and pets. When sprinkled around termite colonies or on their pathways, boric acid acts as a poison that infects the termites upon contact. It dehydrates them, disrupts their digestive system, and inhibits their ability to absorb nutrients, eventually leading to their demise. What makes boric acid an attractive option in termite control is its residual effect. Unlike other insecticides that only kill termites on direct contact, boric acid remains active for an extended period after application. As termites come into contact with the treated area, they carry the powder back to their nests, contaminating other members within the colony. This indirect transmission ensures a thorough eradication and prevents future infestations. Furthermore, boric acid can easily mix with other substances to enhance its effectiveness in termite control. Mixing it with a sugary bait or alongside wood soaked in water will attract the termites towards the treatment and increase its overall potency against them. This versatility allows homeowners to tailor their approach according to the specific circumstances of each infestation, making boric acid a versatile weapon in battling against these stubborn invaders. 4. Use diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth is a powerful weapon against termites, offering a natural and non-toxic solution. It consists of fossilized remains of diatoms, fine powder that dehydrates and damages the exoskeleton of insects. When applied around termite-infested areas or along their pathways, diatomaceous earth creates a physical barrier that prevents termites from entering or spreading further. One of the main advantages of using diatomaceous earth is its long-lasting effectiveness. Unlike chemical treatments that we reapply regularly, diatomaceous earth can remain active for an extended period after application. In fact, some studies show it can continue to protect against termites for several months. This quality makes it an excellent option for those seeking long-term solutions and peace of mind. Diatomaceous earth is also not harmful to humans or pets. It's classified as a low-toxicity pesticide by the Environmental Protection Agency and poses minimal risk if accidentally ingested or inhaled. However, ensure you take precautions when handling and applying diatomaceous earth. Wear protective gear like gloves and masks. 5. Spray neem oil. Neem oil, a natural and organic solution, is an effective tool to combat termite infestations at home. This oil has powerful properties that deter termites from invading your property. The active ingredients in neem oil disrupt the reproductive process of termites and cause them to suffer from hormonal imbalances, ultimately leading to their demise. In addition to its direct impact on termites, neem oil is a repellent for other insect pests that could harm your home and garden. Apply this natural solution to affected areas or potential entry points for termites to protect against termite damage and create a barrier against ants, mosquitoes, cockroaches, and other unwanted visitors. Consider incorporating neem oil into your pest control routine. It offers a versatile and eco-friendly alternative with remarkable effectiveness for combating various insect intruders. 6. Spritz some orange oil. Orange oil is derived from the rinds of citrus fruits like oranges and lemons. This natural oil contains D-limonene, a lethal compound to termites upon contact. In addition to being an effective termite killer, orange oil has another trick up its sleeve. It's a powerful deterrent. Applying orange oil around your home's foundation or other areas prone to termite infestations can create a barrier that repels these relentless pests. As an added benefit, this sweet-smelling solution will leave your home smelling fresh and inviting, unlike chemical pesticides that can leave behind harsh odors. So why rely on harmful chemicals when you can opt for a safer and greener approach? 7. Cardboard traps. Creating traps from cardboard is an effective way of getting rid of termites naturally. But it may not be the best method for the faint of heart or those who do not like dealing directly with insects. Place a cardboard box in the area of the termite infestation and leave it for a few days to allow the termites to infest the cardboard. Once full, burn the cardboard and destroy the termites trapped inside. This method should be repeated multiple times until your traps begin to turn out empty. Because of the amount of time this method can take, it's advised to pair this method with another, such as poison or boric acid. 8. Vinegar. White vinegar is a common household product that can be used for a vast array of purposes such as cleaning, but vinegar is also an effective homemade bug spray. Combining half a cup of vinegar with the juice of 2 lemons creates an effective acidic spray that's safer than boric acid but also kills termites. This solution is also ideal for soaking into any damaged areas of the wood to clear cracks of termites. Repeat the process of spraying lemon juice and white vinegar into affected areas, checking every few days to see if the termites have been successfully removed. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to get rid of pests with Dawn dish soap. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.